Welcome back to the channel. Some of you guys may be familiar with the story of the superhero Captain America and how he received his abilities. He was I don't want to use the term scrawny, but he was a little fella that while his heart was in the right place, can do this all day long, physically just wasn't capable of getting the job done. So the US Army, government, put him in a sarcophagus in an experimental procedure and would have you to believe that they injected him with some kind of cocktail of blue stuff along with some other things, and out pops this epitome of human perfection. That's all a lie. The super soldier serum is actually, whoa, Mountain Dew, look at me, man. I look just like Captain America. Just like, hold on, get the full effect. Both arms. I look like Captain America. I am a super soldier. To be honest, my personality probably lends me to be more toward a winter soldier. If you don't know who that character is, he's a bit of a bastard. So, but probably one of mine and Teresa's favorite characters. She always says she's more kind of like Captain America, because she's nice and morally right and all this kind of stuff. And I'm more toward a winter soldier. A little bit of a bastard, so. Dos Fadonia. Even though he's not really Russian. All right, enough of the Marvel history lesson, even though that wasn't a history lesson. What are we doing? We gotta get this daggum gang member out. Don't like doing jobs like this. They're just not very fun. Nobody likes doing suspension and just stuff that's not glamorous. It's just, so anyway, we got to get this. We got to get this thing moved around. We got to get the K member out, and then the hard part starts. We got to take the one out of Trojan and put this one in, and we're thinking about doing an oil pan. We got to get to work. It's all a mental thing. It's 90% mental, 10% physical, and we've got the physical part covered. All right, that's enough talking. Let's get to work. We have got most of one side taken apart, so I'm not gonna bore you with me taking all this apart when it's much easier to bore you come on, girl. When it's much easier to bore you by talking. So, all right, we still got to take the caster camber plate loose here, but that ain't nothing. And then we'll get the other, obviously the other side like this side, and then we can 6 bolts, it's out. Then the real hard work begins. We gotta take, obviously you know how this goes. We gotta take Trojan apart. I'm still debating on the oil pan. If I want to put the Canton pan on, now is the perfect opportunity to do it. And I'll probably regret it if I don't, so. Tight fit over here. Ideally, I gotta get McNugget in the shop. I don't like McNugget sitting outside, that bugs the crap out of me. While this thing is sitting inside. That makes no sense. But I knew basically where we were headed with some of this stuff, so get this done. Get it done. Get it out. brake caliper holder. We did it, guys, with the help of these hand and power tools and our super soldier physique and puppet. We were able to get us to the point where we're ready to unbolt it. So let me get a 15, it's an 18, it might be 1550. And let's get this dude out of here. 295, 296, 297, 298, 299, 300. Bro, I can do this all day. I'm a freaking super soldier, man. I got 1, 2, 3. Give me some of the yellow stuff, man. I got it. Oh my God. It's just too easy. It's just too easy. Come on, man. Oh, yeah. Oh. Feel the burn. Respect the star. Wanna go get it? There you go, Shelby. Look, he's gonna get the ball. Look, he's getting the ball, Shelby. Oh, he got it. All right, good boy. Go get it. You go get him, Shelby. All right, you get him, Shelby. You get him, Shelby. Get him, Shelby. Get him, Shelby. Get him, Shelby. Get him. Get the ball, Henry. Get him, Shelby. Get him. All right, hey, that's enough. Come on, bring me the ball. Hey, bring me the ball. Yeah, that's a good girl. Says, yeah, I get the getter. I don't get the ball, I get the getter. All right, go get him, Shelby. Get him, Shelbs. I get the getter. All right, hey, that's enough. Henry, bring me the ball. Hey, come on, bring me the ball. Good girl. It's a good girl. Good boy. We're back from lunch. We weighed the K-frame and arms. It's 31 pounds. For the record, this is technically the lightest K-member that I have. It's a UPR chromoly. So in theory, it should be going on one of the better cars. But Trojan Horse is giving it. It's hey, it's only been on GTs. It was on the Dragon, then it was on Pro Stock, and now it's going to be on Trojan. Maybe it's a GT K member. Anyway, it's 31 pounds. We'll kind of give a rough weight. It's going to be about 50 pounds total between all the crap, but we'll measure or weigh it out as, you know, as accurately as we can. So let me carry it around there. And we got to move McNugget anyway, whatever. I got prep work to do. We got it around here, so slept off it a little bit. Now we can push him on up here and get him jacked up, get tires off, and then you know, start taking all this garbage apart. Here we are, working on a car, working for America. F yeah! Here we are, making America safe again. Captain America and Team America had ever teamed up, oh my gosh, what a mess. What an actual mess. Come on. Come on. Awesome. There we go. All right. Let me do this thing right here. Hang the brake caliper up. Whew. Let's get a little bit of preliminary weight here. See if I can get it all on here at the same time. £16 pounds. That is what our coilover strut caster camber weighs. Okay. 21.7. So what is that? 5 pounds? 5.5? It's 5.5 pounds. That's 10 pounds on the side. And like I say, we had moroso drag springs up front. So, okay. Are you here to help? Are you here to help? No. This is all I'm interested in, is this right here. Sharing is caring. Oh, they always wait. They know they're gonna get the last bite. All right, that's it. Yep. See you later. The other side all disassembled. We've got our chain hooked in, and now we're ready to just, hold the motor, put the hoist on it, hold the motor, get the engine mounts loose. Whew. For the record, the passenger side nut was gone. I can't remember the last time I lost a motor mount nut yet. Maybe never. Oh, wow. All right, let's pull this thing. I thought I had hit the time lapse too. Anyway, it's out. I thought I'd hit time lapse, but I didn't have my glasses on. Anyway, it's out. Let me knock the rack off of it. We can see what it weighs. Sorry. I mean, we did do it. You see that came out. It's not like I'm faking it. I weighed the K member. And it is 78 something, arms and everything. And our other one was 31. Our weight savings from just the K member was 47.5 pounds, according to this scale. And we get another 11.5, whatever it is, from the coilover kit versus the stock spring. So that's, we'll just call that, what was that, 58, 59 with the 2 half. Okay, 59 pound. Got a 59 pound weight savings from the K member. So, and the control arms and everything. So it's pretty good. Plus we have all the access and stuff. Now we put the oil pan on, we're probably going to lose some of that weight savings, but whatever. So anyway, cool. So we got to get the other one in. Like I say, this one's chromoly, so it's a little lighter than your mild steel ones by I don't know how much, but it's a little lighter. So plus different scales, different this and that and the other. So anyway, all right, this is going to wrap this one up. I'm sorry, I know I'm killing you guys with these stupid videos of me being stupid. So anyway, tomorrow I think we're going to do the oil pan. We got to have it back together tomorrow, because we got a race day coming up. So we got to have it bolted all. We got to have it all bolted back together. So anyway, I'll get up in the morning, get on it first thing, and try and have it ready to roll. So anyway, thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing, liking, and sharing. Just sharing is caring. Let's just keep that real. Thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. We couldn't do it without you, and we wouldn't want to if we were being 100% honest. But especially, thanks for watching. And until next time on Substandard Leader, Fox Body Videos, taker of the Super Serum, 1 year only Lincolns, 4 drag vans, and disassembling substandard Mustangs one at a time. And as always, fight the good fight against Dr. Fear. We'll see you guys in the next video.